Lenovo LOQ 15 AMD Ryzen 7. Unitysystems Solutions. The chassis in storm grey sports the Lenovo LOQ logo emblazoned on the hood. Built to meet strict MIL STD 810H US military grade standards, this laptop is durable and ready for anything. 170W power adapter. Lenovo LOQ M100 RGB gaming mouse, optional. Warranty leaflet. AMD Ryzen 7840HS processor. 512GB NVMe SSD. 8GB RAM. 6GB NVIDIA RTX 4050 graphics. A winning display. Accelerate to pro-level speeds with a crystal clear 15.6 display with blazing fast refresh rates of 144 Hz that will keep you ahead of the competition in the most heated battles. See the screen in any setting with high nit brightness of 350 nits while conserving battery life when you're on the go with DC dimming technology. Camera FHD 1080p with e-shutter. Ports, slots left. USB circa 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second. DisplayPort 1.4. Optional charging up to 140W. Headphone, mic combo. Right. Privacy e-shutter. USB-A 2.0. Rear. 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second. Ethernet, RJ45. HDMI 2.1. DC in. Master your movement with ergonomic precision. Type like a pro. But more importantly, master the controls of your favorite game with the iconic tactile precision of the Lenovo LOQ keyboard. Engineered for ergonomic superiority, your keys boast 1.5mm key travel and 100% anti-ghosting for ultra-fast actuation and unparalleled control. Below the keyboard is the matte trackpad. It's adequately sized and works very well, with zero complaints. Can be opened one-handed. Audio chip high definition, HD, audio, Realtek ALC 3287 codec. Speakers stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Nahimic gaming audio. Microphone 2X, array. WLAN plus Bluetooth Wi-Fi 6, 11AX 2x2 plus BT 5.1. Battery integrated 60 watt-hours. Power adapter 170W slim tip, 3-pin. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs power the world's fastest laptops for gamers and creators. Built with the ultra-efficient NVIDIA ADA Lovelace architecture, they bring a quantum leap in performance with AI-powered DLSS 3 and enable lifelike virtual worlds with full ray tracing. Plus, the NVIDIA suite of technologies optimizes system performance, power, battery life, and acoustics for peak efficiency. Charge at record-breaking speeds. Transform your battery performance with the standards-breaking super rapid charge and optional USB-C charging up to 140W. Power up your 60 WH battery in record time, charge to 30% in 10 minutes, 70% in 30 minutes, and hit full charge in just 80 minutes. Achieve the Lenovo Vantage. Lenovo Vantage helps you optimize settings to elevate your gaming experience. You can adjust, customize, and maximize your laptop's capabilities through our all-in-one suite of tools. The Lenovo LOQ's advanced thermal design ensures that your gaming rig moves in silence with up to 4 heat pipes, dual 85mm 12V high-speed fans, and large air intake and outlet vents. The generous ventilation ensures a constant flow of fresh air through the keyboard and vents on the rear and sides of the laptop. With a TDP of up to 135W, you can game confidently, knowing your laptop won't overheat and make noise, so you can slay in silence. Expansive options. Future-proof your machine with the unprecedented expandability of the Lenovo LOQ 15APH8 laptop. Switch between gaming, streaming, and creating effortlessly with zero lag or stuttering thanks to memory that's expandable to up to 16GB of dual-channel 5200MHz DDR5. Say goodbye to long loading screens thanks to the lightning-fast up to 1TB SSD storage,